How to deactivate a Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can deactivate a Facebook page. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to deactivate a Facebook page, just open up Facebook and log in from that page. So if you're logged in from a personal account, that's perfectly fine, but just use that page's own profile over here. So here you can see I'm logged in from the page. Now come to the three lines option and go to this gear icon, which is the settings and privacy icon. Here you can see various options. We will scroll down until we see this option called access and control. Tap on access and control over here. When you do that, select the option called deactivate page, then tap on continue. And after that, you can select a reason as to why you want to deactivate, then tap on continue. And again, you'll have to automatically, you can see automatically reactivate in 7 days, or don't reactivate automatically or other days. Whatever else it is, you can tap on continue, and then after that, your Facebook page will be set for deactivation. So this way you can go ahead and then deactivate a Facebook page. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.